So this is the entrance into Edinburgh 500 by the lights opposite Clave Street or Clave Street. Always a major flood point area. Vehicles can't enter through the side. Some of them stalled there already. And a couple of streets well inside they would be in the same condition because of the little dip in the road itself. So this is what is happening right now. And this Hilux, the wheel isn't submerged as yet, but I wouldn't advise people to pass right. So they are not passing here at all. That is a very wise decision because everybody usually stalls in the center there. Unlike this guy here, who I don't think was a wise idea to pass through here, but in the previous video I just said that it is not a good idea to go because of how deep that portion is. So go brave, my brother, and you're sending water in people's house. Yeah, partner. So that is a very bad idea. Alright, so this is Clave Street. As you can see, this car here is somewhat submerged just up to that area is. What do you want me to pull him, man? Yo, what do you want me to pull him? Yeah, so this vehicle stalled here. Anybody passing through to go into 500, refrain from going in Clave Street, north and south. Both sides of the median, the drain is overflowing into the road. Trying to give a guy a hand here with a little tow because he's stalled in that street over there. Scary stuff. So this is the main drain, that overflowing. Oh, pressure.